Hey y'all, it's just Tkay. Welcome back to a Tkay Tuesday. We're gonna go ahead and make some goodies for Valentine's Day, and yeah, or whenever. You're going to get some softened cream cheese. I would suggest you getting heavy whipping cream. I did not have that on hand. I only had milk, so I use milk instead, which is fine. You're going to get some chocolate, or you can get like the melting chocolates, whatever you would like. I just use semi-sweet, I think. I'll try to put a picture in here somewhere, and I just put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds at a time, almost to about 30 seconds. Make sure you're stirring as you go, because sometimes it doesn't look like it's melting, but it is, and you don't want to burn the chocolate. I would say put a little bit less than half a cup of milk, just because it is not heavy cream, which is for more of like that whipping, kind of easier for you. Like, I could have done this with a whisk as well, but it just was not working. So I had to get the KitchenAid out. And this is amazing. I used to be nervous using this. I don't know why. Maybe because it's not mine. But I just used to be scared about it. So once it gets to the consistency that you like, and it looks like, I would say whipped cream, or like whipped chocolate. But before you put the chocolate in, it's going to look like a whipped base. And you'll know exactly what I mean. So I had the powdered sugar, cream cheese, and the milk. And then once it got to that consistency that I liked, I put the melted chocolate in it, and it was so good. And then here, you're just going to get the excess off, of course. And then I would get a baggie. You can either get a freezer one, or I think it's like was it a quarter size? I don't know. It's something of that nature, right? And you'll put it in the baggie. So put the mixture in the baggie, and then you'll cut just a small little piece on the bottom. I wish I would have showed you guys. I'm so sorry that I did not. But yeah, you're going to show that so that you can actually pipe it if you don't have like the piping tools to do it. Now, I was going to get the actual, the top or tip of the, for the tool, but it was $5, and I know I'm not going to really use it like that. So I just did the plastic baggie, and it worked out just fine, as you'll be seeing in just a few moments. So I just want to tell you that it is pretty easy to make. And let me just also tell y'all this. It is so addicting, and they're so good. And even if you don't want to do like the piping or whatever, you can use this as like a dip base, where you can actually scoop some on your plate and then dip the whole strawberry in it. Oh my goodness. I just don't think, unfortunately, that it would like freeze or stay on like regular just chocolate would, because I think the milk and the cream cheese would not harden. So you know how you could have made, I could have made like maybe chocolate covered strawberries, but unfortunately with this mix you can't do that, unfortunately. It will last for about a good 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator, and then after, it will start to get a little bit messy. Like, the strawberries are going to start being real juicy, and it's going to get all over everywhere. So I would say, like, within 2 to 3 days, make sure that you're consuming all of them if possible. So I would say, even if you make it day by day, because I do still have some of the mix left, and I'm going to make something else with it, and it's going to be so good. And as you can see, like, you could see it. I did cut the little piece off, and I just basically started to get to work. And this was much easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be rather tedious, because the strawberries were so small. But honestly, it worked really good, and it was easy. And then you can do anything on top of it as well. So if you wanted to do like cookie crumble, sprinkles, if you wanted to do, I don't know what else you would want to probably put on here, but any kind of sweet. I mean, some people even like chocolate and gummies and stuff like that. So yeah, it's really endless. I also want to just say, if you guys get this sprinkle mix, just be careful if you're giving it to children, because the pearls are really, really hard. Like almost crack your tooth hard, okay? But it still was beautiful nonetheless. And I just thought it was just such I don't know, it was so easy, it was so cute. At first I did get a little frustrated because I didn't have the heavy whipping cream and it wasn't getting as whipped as I wanted to, but look how they came out. So pretty. Let me know if you try these for V-Day. Bye y'all, thank y'all for watching.